It's the next day, Saturday. I slept like for maybe 7-8 hours. It was really hard after traveling. And left now, going to town, do some business, whatever I have to do. This here behind me, I want to show you, that's my high school where I went. It's just 2 blocks from my house. High schools in Serbia, they don't look like high school in America. They don't have football field, baseball field, nothing. It's just the building where you go to learn. And it's hard, trust me, it's hard. Next to the school there's a church. That's my local church here. But this is what I wanted to show you, the high school. We called it Bastilla. Bastilla is the famous jail from French Revolution days in Paris. And that's the place. So this is the center of the town. This is the spot to be. There are restaurants, coffee shops, everything, shopping. I just went and bought TV. I need new TV. So that's done. Now I'm going to set my mobile phone. Yeah. Pogrešna strana. And this is mobile company called MTS. Not really busy, but they're the main provider. So I'm waiting here for somebody to pay attention to customer. This is the monument to Knez Mihailo, one of the rulers of Serbia from the end of 19th century. But what's interesting here is the famous spot for meeting people. So what we usually say, let's meet by the horse. Nobody even knows the name of the guy that sits on a horse, but we use that all the time. Even this restaurant over there, it's called The Horse. So let's meet by the horse. That's the famous spot here. And you can see on the bus some advertising. These are famous NBA players, Jokic and Marjanovic. And they are both Serbian, played in San Antonio Spurs and Denver. Jokic is the best player, MVP of the season. And like I told you, absolutely everything is converted to a bar. There's one there. That was somebody's apartment there, or a basement or whatever, garage. They converted. There's one there. There's one here. Electric 40. And this is the smallest place you ever saw. Look at it. That's all. This is amazing city, amazing place for nightlife. More fun than Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Just half block down, you can see red building. There's entrance into another bar, and then there's one here, and this was somebody's basement, and actually now that's a bar. It is amazing. Around the corner, there's another one. Balkan cuisine. And we are going through another bar at the entrance of my street. There's some graffiti here. This from the top talks about fighting for knowledge and equality. And this here is probably the most famous Serbian actor, comedian, known for his improv. Very popular. He died years ago, but popular still today. Legend. And this is my street, 2 blocks down, my building. So we are just a block from my house, and you can see here, again in the basement, bar. Next building, same thing, and down on the corner, one more. Here, these delivery guys, I don't know, that's new. That was not here before with my last visit. So they're delivering something, bicycles. This place is called Pastis and is the most popular bar in town. There was another one over there across the street. I just don't see it open. And this is the corner that I showed you yesterday. That's where I grew up. That's where we're hanging out. This bar, starting in 1952, that was my Boy Scout troop. That's the place where we had our meetings and everything. Downstairs, we had the meetings, and kids come from all around that live here or from schools around. And upstairs, we have like a warehouse. There were our tents and other equipment. And somewhere in 1990 something, I don't remember, 1995, some people came in, mob guys actually, because that was the rule in 90s, mob rules. And they kicked them out, tossed the whole equipment, everything we had in a garbage. They never recovered it, and they just opened the bar. They tried to the court to try to get back nope. So since then, no Boy Scouts, and bar business is successful. And you can see there another graffiti, Diego Armandona. He's famous in Serbia. And this was the coffee bar house, but closed since COVID. But the place next to it open, and one down there. It's crazy with these bars here. And this street is famous and known as Silicon Valley. That's based on the girls that come here. And here's another one of restaurants that are everywhere. It's called Casa Nova. Salads, steaks, pasta. Doesn't look bad. And we are ready, I don't know, for dinner and a night out. This is apricot brandy, and my buddy, he's gonna have a plum brandy, the famous Serbian plum brandy. And that's the delivery service on bicycles. They fly around the town. Onda ove koveče. Ajde, živeli.